Hello everyone, my name is Manmohan Madan and I'm back with one more video. So today's question is finding pre-order, in-order, post-order of this given binary tree in one single traversal. जैसा हम लोगों ने पहले भी देखा पोस्ट ऑर्डर, इन ऑर्डर, प्री ऑर्डर इन तीनों को अलग अलग ट्रैवर्सल्स में फाइंड करना. बट दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल अबाउट finding them in a single traversal. So if you guys have any doubt with what is like pre-order, if you guys are not familiar with these terms, so मैं recommend करूँगा कि आप हमारे चैनल पे previously posted videos को जाके रेफर कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे all traversals like pre-order, in-order, post-order along with level order traversal and its code are completely explained. So आप उनको जाके रेफर कर सकते हैं. So let me find the pre-order for this given binary tree. So what will be the pre-order of this given binary tree? As we can see, the pre-order sequences says NLR. So it will be 1 because N, then L. So 2 on we are on 2 and on 2 NLR is basically 2, 4, 5. Going on the right side of the tree, it's 3, 6 and 7. So this will be the pre-order for this given binary tree. What will be the in order for this tree? It will be like LNR. So we'll first go left, then left. So it will be 4, then node, then 2, then right, then 5. Then the left subtree has completely been processed. So N basically 1. Going on the right subtree, L 6, 6, N 3 itself, and then 7. And uh, for the post order, our post order will be finding LRN. So L, one one's left will be 2, two's left will be 4. So 4, then right side of 2 is 5, then N itself, so 2. So left subtree has completely been processed. So on next to the right subtree, it will be 3, 6, 3, 7, and at last N itself, so 1. So you guys can verify this pre-order, in-order, post-order sequence for this given binary tree. So now our job is to uh, find all three orders in one single traversal. So इसके इन तीनों को एक सिंगल ट्रैवर्सल में फाइंड करना उतना ही इजी है जितना इन तीनों को अलग अलग फाइंड करना. विल जस्ट मैनिपुलेट द कोड एंड इट विल गिव मी ऑल थ्री रिजल्ट्स इन अ सिंगल ट्रैवर्सल. So as you guys can see, I have already written down the code for building the tree and the structure of the tree, and like finding pre-order, in order, and post order in normal individual manner. So these are the codes for them. And now as I'll find them all in a single traversal. I have printed all three, the pre-order, in order, and post order separately in storing after storing them in three vectors. So you guys can see here, it's very easy. Now what we will do, we'll just calculate all of them in one single traversal. So let me start from here. So this video is about finding pre-order, in order, post order in one single traversal. So what I'll do, I'll just I'm just folding the code. I'll just make a function uh, finding the all three, like I can, let me call it trio. My function name is trio, and it will take our root element, and I'll store them in these three vectors. As you can see, like the pre-order one, in-order one, and post-order one, I stored these three in them. So I'll store my like the next in-order, pre-order, post-orders in pre-order 2, in-order 2, and post-order 2. So if you carefully observe these three codes, what we have did here. So basically all three codes are very similar, just there is one lines difference. This lines, when we are uh, like we are going on the node element itself, the order of node. So you can see here in the pre-order function, the node value was pushed back in vector in the first sentence, in the first line of code. But after, in the in order, we first encountered the left, then our node value, and at last in the post order, we'll call the function for both left and right, and then we'll like we will insert, we will push back the post order, we will push back the node element in our post order sequence. So using that same knowledge, we will just call, okay, first our base case, if not root, then just return, and next we'll just call this function for our left, function for our right. So as you guys can see, I haven't pushed back here anything. So if we are getting our node element before calling the function for its left subtree, we will just add them, and this procedure is somewhat like pre-order. So I'll just push back root swell here, and in order, what we were doing, we were first calling the function for its left, and then we were after the getting the left subtree uh, whole process, we were like in pushing back in, we were adding the root value to our vector. So like in order, we will do this here. We will just add root value after calling it for its left children, and just like the post order, we were after the processing the left subtree and the right subtree, we were adding our node value to our post order. So I'll just add them after calling for them both, left part and right part. So I'll just add root swell here. So this was the whole code basically. We don't need to do anything else. Okay, what happened here? Okay, sorry, I yes. So this was the code for getting the all three in a single traversal. What we observed, we just observed that when like at which line we are processing the node element itself. In the pre-order, we were doing it before calling the function for left and right subtree. In order, we were calling first for the left subtree, and then we were processing or adding the node to our order. And in the post order, we were doing in the last part after processing the left subtree and the right subtree. So basically, we combined all three here. We process left, we process right, but we process node element at different intervals. So we first for like pre-order, we added node element here first, then called for left, then in order we added our value to our vector after calling left and before calling right. So before calling right, so this was my in order sequence and this was my post order sequence after calling the function for left and right both. So now it will give me answer for both of my so I'll just call trio on root and I'll just print all three. Let me just give a handle here so that it won't create any confusion. So as soon as we run it, okay, you guys may check that the pre-order and the pre-order is completely matching. The in order and in order is completely matching, and the post order and our post order when the single traversal is completely matching. So now you can say like we are able to find pre-order, in-order and post-order in one single traversal. What we did, we just observed the individual code for all of them and we combined them and find it all three orders in one single traversal. So this was for today. Thank you so much. We'll return again with some more questions and new concepts. Have a good time ahead. Thank you.